Are you struggling of making money online? I bet you are struggling to earn some real cash from YouTube automation, and all your efforts are going waste because you are not getting the views you deserve. You work real hard, invest money as well as efforts. But next morning when you wake up, you don't see any visible results. Maybe the problem isn't your effort. Maybe it's because you haven't found the right YouTube niche or the tools to get ahead. In this video, I'm going to reveal what you're missing today. I will teach you each and everything from creating a YouTube channel in the right way so that you can break the cycle of 0 views till creating best possible content on one of the most demanding niche out there, uploading the video in the right way with proper SEO to get best results, and finally figuring out the best and fastest way to make money from your very first video. So, if you're ready to stop struggling and finally succeed, hit that subscribe button and comment "ready" below and I will help you in your YouTube journey. I bet you have seen countless tutorials on making historical videos like these popular channels, AI Historian and History Bypass and many more. But I have just one question for you. What makes you think that people will watch your videos and not the videos of already popular creators? You don't have an answer, right? Well, if you make videos exactly like these creators, you will end up getting no views because this niche is highly saturated. But as we know, history niche has been one of the most watched niches on YouTube. So if we can find a sub-niche with low competition within history niche, our chances of going viral increases. That's why today we have one of the best niches with us named Historical Disasters and Their Aftermath. In this niche, we will reveal the true stories behind famous natural or man-made disasters, for example, Pompeii, Chernobyl, Titanic, and how these events shaped the world. We will start with the basic but most important step, which is creating a YouTube channel in the right way. Most people create a channel in rush and upload their first video right away, and they end up getting stuck in 0 views jail, which can be very frustrating. But if you follow all my steps correctly, you can easily break this cycle and make your first ever short to hit, if not more than at least 1K views. So, to do that, first click on your profile at the top right corner and click on switch accounts and then view all channels and then just create a new channel. And if you have a name in mind, simply write it down here or just take help of ChatGPT in getting your channel name. Picking a channel name is like naming a pet, except the pet won't judge you for the rest of its life if you get it wrong. But your subscribers might, and 99% of new creators are using AI to get their channel name, and I don't see anything wrong with this. I mean, why stressing yourself for something that you can get without any efforts? And besides, with each passing day, AI is getting smarter and more advanced. If you're not using AI to your advantage, you might as well be trying to win a race on a tricycle while everyone else is driving sports cars. So let's dress up our channel. It's important because having a YouTube channel without a logo is like going to a party without pants. Sure, you're there, but people might not take you seriously, and why do you want to waste time in making a new pant while you can get one from anywhere? I would suggest you to not waste your time and select a good image from the home page of AI tools. Like Leonardo or Lexica AI, they have a lot of images on the display. And all you need to do is just spend 5 to 10 minutes to search some good images and download all images that you like and then finalize one from them and then just head to YouTube Studio and go to customization and simply upload your logo here. Just adjust it and keep the important areas and done in about channel banner. I suggest you to leave it empty in the starting. Just ignore it, just like your ex ignores. Now let's talk about one of the most important part of creating a YouTube channel, which is its SEO optimization. Just like video SEO channel, SEO is very important to rank your channel in search results and to help push your videos in your initial phase. So if you skip this part, you already wasted a lot of your efforts. So for this first, we need a good description that clearly explains what our channel for that. You just need to provide GPT your niche name and your channel name and ask to provide me a short, well-written description with relevant and high search keywords to help YouTube algorithm understand what my channel is about and use only easy and simple English, and also use emojis to make it fun. This description will help YouTube algorithm to know more about your channel and push your videos in your starting phase. So just copy up the description and paste it in here and then go back to GPT and ask it to also provide me relevant and high search, both long tail and short tail tags for my channel, and it will provide you with all the tags that you need to optimize your channel. Just copy up first tag and head back to Studio and then click on settings and then channel and paste the tag here, and then one by one copy up each hashtag and paste it here. This will help YouTube to completely understand what your channel is about and help you get noticed fast on YouTube. And at the end, never forget to write your channel name 3 times. No matter in which niche you are, it's a must step. So one time, write your channel name as it is written on your channel. And then once in small alphabets and once in capital alphabets. This will help YouTube to present your channel in front of your viewers, no matter how they search your channel. And with this, we have successfully created a completely professional and powerful channel, but it's not ready yet before uploading your video. First, warm up your channel for 2 to 3 days, and in these 3 days, watch the videos that are related to your niche and your channel will be ready. Now let's head to our next step, which is getting engaging script with the help of GPT. Well, this is one of the most important steps because a good script alone can increase your chances of going viral. And if you know how to use AI to get killer script, you successfully saved your time and efforts. So first, we will get some engaging videos ideas for our niche. And for that, we will use a special prompt. All the prompts will be available in the description. So once you have all the video ideas, just select a topic of your choice. And then to get the script, we will use another special prompt. Just paste your video topic in these empty brackets. I have tested these prompts multiple times before providing you. And trust me, once you read the script that you will get after using my prompt, you will realize how powerful scripts you can get from AI only if you know how to give correct command. Now this script is so good that you can use it as it is without having the need to do any changes. Just save this script in a notepad so that you can use it later on. Now comes the best and my favorite part, which is automating our whole video creation process so that we can save all the time and efforts in finding different ways of earning, which I will reveal later on. So today we have one of the best AI tool named Video Talk. This tool can generate content for you, just like some very popular YouTubers. You don't even know that many of the videos you see every day are made with AI. You can see the quality of these samples, videos that were created using Video Talk. So to get started, simply click on Create Video and make a free account using your Gmail after you land on this interface. There are many options. First, in AI Create Script section, you can just paste your video topic and Video Talk AI will even write a powerful script for you, but we like to take things at another level. So we will use the script we generated earlier. Just copy it and paste it here in the second option, which is your script. After that, you can select aspect ratio, and that's the best part with Video Talk. You can not only create shorts, but you can also create long videos, which will bring more ad revenue. And then from image style, you can not only select AI images, but you can also use Google images and as well stock videos if you take a look at AI images. There are tons of amazing styles that you can use for your images. But my personal favorite is this last option, which real images and stock videos. This gives a realistic touch to the overall video. After that, you can also select the language in which you want your video to be. We will go with English so that we can target audience from countries like US and UK. And then at last, we have super realistic voiceover characters. Video Talk also has the most famous voiceover of Adam and tons of other realistic monetizable voices. You can take your time here and select a voice of your choice. And once all this is done, simply click on Generate Video and Video Talk will start creating your video. To tell you guys, I also use AI tools to automate my other channels, and currently I have 3 channels that are running on autopilot, which I will reveal soon enough. The main reason behind automating channels using AI is so that we can have lots of free time to ideate about different ways of making money. And this can only be possible if we automate our work with AI, because hiring a freelancer can be very expensive and not everyone can afford. So at this point, using AI is the best option. So our video is also ready. Simply click on Open Video, and it will then take a few seconds to render the video for you. And if you take a look, there are lots of amazing caption templates from personal experience. I have found these glowy captions to get more retention than simple captions. So I will go with glowy captions. Then you can also select the main color of the captions. It will be white by default, but if you change the color, you can see it instantly gets applied to the video. You can also adjust the size of the captions. I would recommend you to keep it 55 because that's the ideal size. And you can also adjust the position of the captions, and then in footage section, you can fully edit your video as per your choice. Like you can choose whether you want motion in your images or not, and then you can also select which type of transition you want between your clips. These types of features are not available in every AI tool, but it's not over yet. You can also choose to change a specific image or footage from the video. In case you don't like any clip, you can replace it. You just need to search what you want, and then you can choose whether you want image, video, or GIF, and then simply click on Replace Image, and it will be replaced like this. You can customize your whole video as per your needs. Are you tired already? Don't be, because things are going to get crazy in my videos. I will always advise asks you to remove silent areas from the voiceover because it boosts audience retention. Video can do this for you in one click. Simply click on Enhance and Trim Voice. This will not only remove silent areas, but will also enhance the overall video. After all, we don't want to make average video, we want a killer video, and besides all this, there are some really amazing copyright-free musics available. You can select a music of your choice, but don't use these musics that have this with copyright watermark in front of them. And then finally, our video is completely ready. Simply click on export and your video will be exported. Let's check it out.
In 1986, Chernobyl changed the world forever. The explosion wasn't just a blast, it was a silent killer. Radiation spread like an invisible enemy, poisoning everything it touched. People fled, but the damage was already done. Thousands got sick, many lost their lives, and entire cities became ghost towns. The forests turned red, animals died, and the environment took a hit it may never fully recover from. But
that was wonderful, guys. If you take a look at the videos of channels that I mentioned in the starting of this video, you will notice that they make exactly these types of videos. These channels also use AI to make their videos, but they do it so professionally that you never realize that those videos were made with AI and not by human. The pricing of Video Talk is very decent, starting from only 19 euros, which are about $21, where you can make total 30 videos with each video 1 minute long. They also have limited lifetime plan, where you need to pay once and use the platform for lifetime. So choose a plan that suits you well. Now let's upload our video with proper SEO. Simply go back to ChatGPT and paste your video script there and ask ChatGPT to provide me eye-catchy and short titles for my script, along with relevant and high search hashtags and tags and a short, well-written description, and use only easy English in writing the titles and description. Like this, GPT will spit out the best SEO for you, and trust me, even I use GPT to SEO my videos. Now simply copy, paste all the details. You know how to do that, right? So I will just finish this up, and our category will be education, and yeah, it means our RPM will also be high. And finally, about uploading time. There is no one specific uploading time, because if it's 5 p.m. for me, it may not be for you, because each country has different time zone. So just upload your videos at a time when you think maximum audience in your country will be online. Let's talk about how you can earn some high cash. I have done a lot of research and got some products that you can affiliate and earn massive commissions. First of all, you can create an account in Amazon Associates and look for this sub-niche within history niche. You can sell books about famous disasters like the Great Fire of London, the Titanic, Chernobyl, etc. You will easily find these books on Amazon, so if one book costs $16 and you get 30% commission on each sale, which is about $4.8, and if only 200 people buy this book through your link in a whole month, you will get $960 revenue. You just need to add affiliate link related to this book in your video description. And there are many other products. The more expensive the product is, the higher you will get the commission. You can also sell historic theme board games like Pandemic. This game costs $30, and people are really interested in these types of products, and you will get high sales. You can also do affiliate work with Canva, because millions of people use Canva to make their historical thumbnails, templates, banner, posters, and many more like this. You can sell many historical products and earn way more than you can even imagine. All you needed was a direction, which I just gave you. Now, without any excuses, get to work and don't look back. And if you like this video, don't leave without subscribing.